Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the mysterious journey of the moon and its phases. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about the moon today.
Great! Let's start by thinking about the moon. Have you ever noticed how the moon seems to change shape in the sky?
Yes. Sometimes it looks like a big circle, and other times it's just a sliver.
Exactly. Those different shapes are called phases. Do you know why the moon looks different at different times?
I'm not sure. Does it have something to do with the sun?
You're on the right track. The sun shines on the moon, and depending on where the moon is in its orbit around Earth, we see different amounts of its lit-up side.
Oh, so that's why it changes. What are some of the names of these phases?
Great question. Some of the phases are called crescent, gibbous, and quarter. Can you guess what a crescent moon might look like?
Is it the one that looks like a banana?
Yes, exactly. And when the moon is getting bigger, we say it's waxing. When it's getting smaller, it's waning.
That's so cool. How does the moon move across the sky?
The moon arises in the east and sets in the west, just like the sun. But it's not the moon that's moving across the sky. It's actually the Earth, turning or rotating.
Wow, I didn't know that. So the Earth is like a big spinning top.
That's a perfect way to think about it. Now, let's imagine we're scientists. How could we model the phases of the moon?
Maybe we could use a ball and a light to see how the light changes on the ball.
Exactly. By turning slowly with a ball in front of a light, you can see how the light and shadow change, just like the moon's phases.
I want to try that. What else can we do to learn about the moon?
You can keep a moon diary, observe the moon each night, and draw what you see. Record the time it rises and sets too.
That sounds fun. I can be like an astronaut observing the moon.
Absolutely. Speaking of astronauts, did you know they do science experiments in space?
Really? Like what?
Some astronauts study how plants grow in space, or how gravity affects living things. It's all about exploring and discovering new things.
I want to learn more about astronauts too.
That's a great idea. You can research an astronaut and make a poster about them. It's a fun way to learn about their adventures and discoveries.
I can't wait to start my project.
Now, can you summarize what we've learned today about the moon?
Sure, we learned about the phases of the moon, how it moves across the sky, and how we can observe it like scientists.
Fantastic! Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.